Before starting today's video, let me ask you something. What if future wars are fought not by humans in the sky, but by invisible stealth drones controlled from a massive nuclear-powered aircraft carrier? How dangerous could that kind of war become? France has just hinted at exactly this kind of hidden power. On March 18th, President Emmanuel Macron announced the name of a next-generation warship that is not just a carrier, it could become the center of future warfare. France Libre. Behind this name lies the beginning of a new era where Rafale fighter jets and stealth drones will dominate the skies together. But the big question is, will this ship only increase power, or will it completely change the rules of war? To find out, you have to watch till the end, because there's a detail coming that might completely change your perspective. If you're enjoying the video, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, share this video as much as possible, because everyone needs to understand this future of warfare. Share it widely so maximum people can know about this. Now, let's get into the main topic. France's upcoming aircraft carrier named France Libre is set to replace the current Charles de Gaulle and is expected to enter full service by 2038. This warship will be around 310 meters long and powered by nuclear energy, allowing it to operate for long durations at sea. But the real story is not just its size or power. The biggest transformation is in its air wing. Earlier, carriers relied only on fighter jets, but now stealth drones or UCAVs are being introduced, capable of carrying out missions without direct human control. These drones won't just handle surveillance, they can conduct electronic warfare, confuse enemy radar systems, and even carry out direct attacks. According to France's plan, the carrier will deploy Rafale M fighter jets, future FCAS systems, and advanced drones working together as a fully integrated network. This means warfare will become smarter, more distant, and far less risky for human pilots. The use of electromagnetic catapult systems will also allow the launch of heavier and more advanced aircraft, making this carrier even more powerful. Many are asking, is this a full drone carrier? Not exactly, at least not yet. It's better described as a hybrid platform, where manned aircraft and unmanned systems operate together. And this is the real shift. Future wars won't depend only on pilot skill, but on technology, networks, and artificial intelligence. That's why France Libre is not just a ship, it's a signal of who might dominate the battlefields of the future. The real question now is, if this technology becomes fully operational, how much will it shift the global balance of military power? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, warfare will never be the same again.